LED headlights and headlamps have evolved from novelty upgrades to essential safety and visibility tools for night driving and outdoor activities. The category covered here includes lightweight headlamps for hands-free outdoor use, Product 1, and high luminosity automotive bulb upgrades, Products 2 through 5.
List number 1. LHK-NL Headlamp Flashlight. The LHK-NL 2-pack headlamp set emphasizes portability and versatility with an ultralight form factor and a rechargeable battery design. Notable features include a long press power off function to skip cycling through modes, a motion sensor on-off capability, a 60-degree pivoting lamp head, and 8 lighting modes that cover white and red night vision options. The pack ships with 2 headlamps, USB-C cables, and adjustable bands targeting outdoor enthusiasts who value convenience and emergency readiness. At a tested weight of about 1.87 ounces per unit and IPX4 rating, it is clearly designed to be worn during running, camping, or climbing with minimal burden. In practice, the motion sensor is convenient when hands are dirty or gloved, but its effectiveness depends on ambient conditions and distance from the sensor. The 1500 mAh class rechargeable cell provides 4 to 10 hours of runtime depending on mode, which is adequate for short to mid-duration activities, and the indicator helps with battery management. Beam versatility is decent. The 60-degree pivot helps aim left-right, but the compact design can yield a narrower, high-beam footprint compared to larger headlamps. The included red light mode is a nice touch for night vision maintenance without washing out color cues.
List number 2. Fahren H11 by 9005 Light Bulbs Combo. Fahren's H11 by H9 by H8 9005 bulb combo targets automotive enthusiasts seeking a plug-and-play high-lumen upgrade for fog or headlight applications. The package promises up to 100,000 lumens with a non-polarity design and CAN bus compatibility, aiming to maximize nighttime visibility without modifying the vehicle's electrical system. The build uses aviation-grade aluminum and a copper base for heat dissipation, coupled with a high-speed cooling fan to sustain performance. Real-world use highlights include clear cutoff patterns for glare control and the potential for a noticeably brighter roadway. The 60,000-hour claimed lifespan is optimistic for everyday use, but the integrated driver IC and CAN bus compatibility reduce the risk of flicker or error codes on many modern vehicles. If your vehicle supports CAN bus decoding without decoders, installation is straightforward. Otherwise, a decoder may be required for certain sensitive models.
List number 3. H11 9005 LED Bulbs Combo. Termiter's LED bulb set mirrors a 1-to-1 halogen form factor and promises huge brightness with a compact, driverless footprint. The design claims 100,000 lumens per set and uses a high-speed 22,000 RPM cooling fan with aviation-grade aluminum to sustain performance. The product emphasizes a 1-to-1 mimic of factory halogen bulbs to ease installation without external drivers, and it claims CAN bus-ready integration for many applications. In use, you get a 60-degree beam pattern that aims to minimize glare while maintaining a wide spread. The lack of external drivers reduces dust cover interference, simplifying installation in tight housings. However, the sheer brightness can create compatibility constraints with some headlight assemblies or reflectors not designed for such intense output. The claimed 70,000 to 60,000 hour range aligns with long-term use, but will depend on heat management and duty cycle.
List number 4. Sealight L2S HB3 H9 Bulb Combo 10X Compatible 90,000 lumens 9005 H11 for fog light. Sealight's L2S combo targets a broad, bright upgrade with a stated 90,000 lumens and 10x brightness over stock for H11, H9, H8/HB3 configurations. The kit is designed for plug-and-play installation with a 1-to-1 design to fit factory sockets and CAN bus-friendly operation. The inclusion of 34 MIL chips and copper tube cooling suggests a focus on heat dissipation and longevity, with a 70,000+ hour lifespan implied by design goals. Real-world impressions emphasize robust light output with wide coverage suitable for fog and driving lights. The 3-minute install claim aligns with typical direct-fit upgrades, minimizing downtime. The 12-volt electrical environment is standard for automotive use, and the 25,000 RPM cooling system contributes to stable performance during extended runs. Some users may find the brightness overwhelming in certain suburban contexts, so beam pattern control and proper aiming are essential.
List number 5. Sealight H11, H9, H8. Sealight's S2S fog lights pack touts a 100,000 lumen capability, designed for a wider driving vision and a 1-to-1 form factor to fit typical housings. The design emphasizes rapid response, 0.1-second lighting, and advanced smart IC drives to minimize flicker and glare while delivering 6500K cool white output. The universal fit and 70,000+ hour expected lifespan align with broad vehicle compatibility and long-term use. In practice, the wide driving vision is beneficial for edge-of-road visibility and roadside hazards. The 0.1-second illumination ensures quick visibility from a safety perspective. The plug-and-play design reduces installation complexity, but as with any high-lumen upgrade, users should verify housing clearance and potential CAN bus interactions on sensitive vehicles. Thermal performance is supported by copper tubes and high-speed fans, contributing to longevity.